In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the phone number in your Outlook account. We'll go through the process step by step so you can update your account information clearly and confidently. This is useful if you've changed your phone number, switched countries, or simply want to make sure your recovery and security details are up to date. Keeping this information current is important because Microsoft may use your phone number to help verify your identity and protect your account. To begin, open Outlook and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main Outlook page, look for your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From there, select My Microsoft. This will take you to your Microsoft account page, where you can manage personal details, security settings, and other account information connected to Outlook. Once the Microsoft account page opens, click on Your Info. This section contains the basic details associated with your account. Under Account Info, look for the option that says Edit Account Info and click on it. You may be asked to verify your identity before continuing, which is normal for security reasons. On the next page, continue until you find the option related to password or saved account details, then click Add Phone Number. If you see a prompt connected to a password manager, just follow the on-screen path carefully until you reach the phone number section. The layout may look slightly different depending on your device or browser, but the goal is to get to the place where you can add or update your phone number. Now select your country from the list. This step is important because it automatically applies the correct country code to your number. After that, enter your phone number carefully. Take a moment to double-check that everything is correct before moving on, especially the country code and the full number. Once entered, follow any final prompts that appear on screen. In many cases, Microsoft may send a verification code to confirm that the number belongs to you. If that happens, simply enter the code to finish the update. And that's it. Your Outlook account phone number should now be updated. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to review your recovery and security information regularly so you don't get locked out of your account in the future.